In a world dominated by stress, many turn to ancient healing traditions for balance and well-being. Among these, Ayurveda offers insights into achieving optimal health, with ashwagandha, often called Indian ginseng, capturing modern attention. Our journey into ashwagandha begins in India, where it has been a staple in traditional medicine for over 3,000 years. Ayurvedic texts praise ashwagandha as a potent adaptogen, helping the body adapt to stress. Modern science is uncovering bioactive compounds in ashwagandha, like withanolides and flavonoids, responsible for its health benefits. From reducing stress to boosting cognitive function, ashwagandha's potential is gaining scientific recognition. Ashwagandha, or Withania somnifera, belongs to the nightshade family, which includes tomatoes and potatoes. Native to arid regions, ashwagandha is a small shrub with roots known for their calming properties. The roots, with a scent reminiscent of horse sweat, are dried and ground into a powder used in various preparations. This powder, with its earthy aroma, forms the basis for traditional and modern uses of ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is a revered adaptogen, helping the body adapt to stress. Unlike stimulants, adaptogens modulate the body's stress response, promoting resilience. Ashwagandha's bioactive compounds regulate the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal (HPA) axis, the body's stress control center. By supporting the HPA axis, ashwagandha reduces chronic stress impacts, promoting calm and well-being. In today's fast-paced world, stress is a constant companion. Ashwagandha offers a natural antidote to stress, promoting calm and well-being. Studies show ashwagandha's efficacy in reducing stress and anxiety. A study in the Indian Journal of Psychological Medicine found significant stress reduction in participants taking ashwagandha. These outcomes are attributed to ashwagandha's ability to modulate the body's stress response. Ashwagandha is a valuable tool for managing stress and enhancing well-being. Ashwagandha regulates cortisol, the stress hormone. While essential for survival, chronically elevated cortisol can harm health. Ashwagandha helps regulate cortisol production, reducing stress impacts. Studies show ashwagandha significantly reduces cortisol levels in stressed individuals. By keeping cortisol in check, ashwagandha promotes calm, better sleep, and overall well-being. This regulation showcases ashwagandha's adaptogenic properties. Ashwagandha reduces stress and anxiety, promoting a sense of calm. Users report improved mood and resilience. Ashwagandha fosters relaxation and a positive outlook, helping navigate modern life's complexities. Incorporating ashwagandha into daily routines can restore balance and promote calmness. In a world where sleep is often sacrificed, ashwagandha offers hope for better rest. Unlike pharmaceutical aids, ashwagandha promotes sleep naturally by addressing stress and hormonal imbalances. By restoring the sleep-wake cycle, ashwagandha creates an optimal environment for restful sleep. Ashwagandha regulates the circadian rhythm, our internal sleep-wake clock. Stress and artificial light can disrupt this rhythm, leading to sleep issues. Ashwagandha helps restore balance by modulating cortisol and melatonin production. This regulation ensures cortisol declines at night, preparing the body for sleep. As cortisol declines, melatonin promotes relaxation and drowsiness. Ashwagandha supports melatonin production, enhancing sleep mechanisms. It also calms the nervous system, reducing stress and promoting tranquility. This creates an ideal environment for restful sleep. Ashwagandha strengthens the immune system, acting as a shield against pathogens. Its adaptogenic and immune-boosting properties enhance natural defenses. Bioactive compounds in ashwagandha, like with analytes and antioxidants, boost immune cell activity. These cells identify and destroy pathogens, keeping the body healthy. Ashwagandha's immune-boosting power is a testament to its adaptogenic properties. It promotes overall well-being by enhancing the body's natural defenses. Ashwagandha combats oxidative stress, supporting immunity. Oxidative stress caused by free radicals weakens the immune system. Ashwagandha's antioxidants neutralize free radicals, protecting cells. This creates a favorable environment for immune cells to function optimally. Ashwagandha has been used for centuries to boost immunity and vitality. Modern science validates its immune-enhancing properties. Studies show ashwagandha increases natural killer cell activity and reduces inflammation. This highlights ashwagandha's potential to support health in today's world. In an era of cognitive demands, ashwagandha stands out as a brain booster. Its bioactive compounds support brain health by reducing oxidative stress and promoting neuroplasticity. Ashwagandha enhances cognitive function, memory, and mental sharpness. It helps navigate modern life's complexities with greater clarity. Ashwagandha enhances attention, memory, and reduces stress-induced cognitive impairment. Studies show significant improvements in memory and focus with ashwagandha supplementation. It enhances learning, information retention, and cognitive task performance. Ashwagandha is a valuable tool for optimizing mental performance. Ashwagandha protects the brain from age-related cognitive decline. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties combat neurodegenerative disease factors. Studies show ashwagandha protects brain cells and reduces amyloid plaque buildup. This suggests ashwagandha's potential as a neuroprotective agent. Ashwagandha enhances muscle strength and physical performance. It boosts energy levels and stamina by reducing stress and supporting adrenal glands. Athletes report increased energy and endurance with ashwagandha. Its adaptogenic properties enhance resilience and reduce fatigue. Ashwagandha aids in quicker recovery post-workout. It allows individuals to push their limits without compromising well-being. For those aiming to build muscle mass, ashwagandha offers promising benefits. Research has shown that ashwagandha can significantly enhance muscle strength and size, making it a valuable addition to strength training regimens. A study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that participants who took ashwagandha supplements experienced greater increases in muscle mass and strength compared to those who took a placebo. The muscle-building effects of ashwagandha are attributed to its ability to increase testosterone levels, which play a crucial role in muscle growth and recovery. Testosterone is a key hormone involved in muscle protein synthesis, the process by which the body repairs and builds muscle fibers following exercise. By boosting testosterone levels, ashwagandha enhances the body's ability to build and maintain muscle mass, making it an effective natural supplement for those engaged in resistance training. In addition to its effects on testosterone, ashwagandha also promotes muscle health by reducing exercise-induced muscle damage. Intense workouts can lead to muscle soreness and inflammation, which can hinder performance and prolong recovery times. Ashwagandha's anti-inflammatory properties help to mitigate these effects, allowing for faster recovery and less downtime between workouts. This enables individuals to train more consistently and effectively, ultimately leading to better muscle growth and strength gains. Section 3. enhancing endurance and recovery. Beyond muscle strength and size, ashwagandha also contributes to overall physical endurance and recovery. Endurance is a critical component of physical performance, particularly for athletes involved in sports that require sustained exertion over extended periods. Ashwagandha has been shown to improve cardiovascular endurance, allowing individuals to perform at higher intensities for longer durations without experiencing excessive fatigue. The endurance-enhancing effects of ashwagandha are partly due to its ability to optimize oxygen utilization in the body. Efficient oxygen utilization is essential for maintaining energy levels during prolonged physical activities. By improving the body's ability to use oxygen, ashwagandha enhances aerobic capacity and stamina, enabling athletes to push their limits and achieve new performance milestones. Additionally, ashwagandha supports quicker recovery from physical exertion. The herb's adaptogenic and anti-inflammatory properties help to reduce muscle fatigue and soreness, allowing for faster recovery between training sessions. This not only helps in maintaining a consistent workout schedule, but also reduces the risk of overtraining and injury. By supporting efficient recovery, ashwagandha ensures that athletes can train harder and more frequently, leading to continuous improvements in performance. Section 1. Incorporating ashwagandha into your daily routine. Congratulations on discovering the remarkable world of ashwagandha. Now that you're familiar with its extraordinary benefits, you're probably eager to incorporate this ancient adaptogen into your daily life. Thankfully, ashwagandha is readily available in various forms, making it easy to find a method that suits your preferences and lifestyle. Whether you prefer the earthy flavor of its powder, the convenience of capsules, or the quick absorption of liquid extracts, ashwagandha can seamlessly integrate into your wellness routine. For those who enjoy a warm and comforting beverage, ashwagandha powder can be easily whisked into warm milk or a soothing herbal tea. Many individuals find that incorporating ashwagandha into their evening routine promotes relaxation and prepares the body for a restful night's sleep. If you prefer a quicker option, capsules and tablets offer a pre-measured dose and can be taken with water at any time of day. Liquid extracts and tinctures, known for their faster absorption rate, can be added to water, juice, or even a smoothie for a quick and convenient boost. Section 2. Finding the right dosage and form for you. While ashwagandha is generally considered safe for most adults, it's essential to determine the appropriate dosage and form for your individual needs and health status. The ideal dosage can vary depending on factors such as age, health conditions, and the specific reason for using ashwagandha. It's always best to start with a low dose and gradually increase it as needed, while carefully monitoring your body's response. When choosing an ashwagandha product, opt for reputable brands that prioritize quality and purity. Look for products that have been third-party tested to ensure they meet safety and potency standards. Organically grown and sustainably sourced, ashwagandha is also a great choice for those seeking to minimize their environmental impact. Remember, investing in high-quality ashwagandha ensures you're reaping its full spectrum of benefits safely and effectively. Section 1. Embrace the ancient wisdom. As we've journeyed through the world of ashwagandha, we've uncovered a treasure trove of scientific evidence supporting its remarkable ability to enhance our well-being. From reducing stress and improving sleep, to boosting immunity and sharpening cognitive function, this ancient adaptogen offers a holistic approach to health and vitality. Ashwagandha's gentle yet powerful effects extend beyond addressing individual symptoms. It empowers us to navigate the complexities of modern life with greater resilience, balance, and a profound sense of well-being. As with any herbal supplement, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating ashwagandha into your routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. They can help you determine the appropriate dosage and ensure it aligns with your individual health needs. Embrace the wisdom of this ancient herb and discover how ashwagandha can empower you on your journey toward optimal health and well-being.